delicious. Today we're making my gorgeous lemon ricotta waffles. The star of the show is my creamy ricotta. You always guys asking me what kind of yogurt you should use. I would rather recommend going for super clean coconut yogurt or something like this, sheep's milk yogurt. It's super easy on your digestive system and has more nutrients than regular cow yogurt, but you can use buttermilk. I also have these gorgeous lemons from my neighbors. I'm using a waffle maker today, but you can definitely use the same butter and make some pancakes. It will take more time probably, but it's totally gonna work. One great tip for you guys, do not open your waffle maker before the steam has completely evaporated, otherwise you can ruin your waffles. So I'm gonna wait a little while. I'm gonna serve my waffles in my handmade, very oven ceramic plates. I'm so excited, I love them so much. I also grated some lemon zest, you know, to make it a bit fancier. I've been craving these waffles for quite a while now because I used to eat only savory breakfast for a very long time, because actually my health journey started back in the day, back in 2012, when my hormones went out of whack. So one of the strategies to balance out my hormones was to tweak my diet a little bit. So I was told to eat savory breakfast full of protein and healthy fats, so my blood sugar was stable throughout the day, I didn't have any cravings, and my other hormones were like slowly balancing out. It was, you know, this kick to start learning more about nutrition, about the hormones, the connection between glucose, cortisol, estrogen, progesterone, and all of that. And later down the road I started to have these gut related issues. I have quite an experience, to be honest, so hormonal balance was like a first thing on my radar to deal with, because I also had acne and it was really hard for me because I hate wearing makeup, and having clear skin is like so important to me. I would rather gain weight or have cellulite, which is normal by the way, than having like acne all over my face. So having balanced hormones is very important, not just for your like skin and stuff, because it can lead to cancer. And I mean, I've been through a lot in my life, you guys, and I'm still not sure if I want to share my journey, like to open up completely about what I've been through, but I don't know, maybe in the future. I still like I'm not ready, I maybe haven't processed it yet, and now when my hormones are fixed I can enjoy this sweet treats from time to time, because our life is all about balance, right? I'm also taking my supplements with breakfast. I have prenatal formula and I also have my DHA packed omega-3. And these waffles, they won't spike your blood sugar that much because we also have some fiber that helps to slow down the spike. We have some protein, so the glycemic load won't be that crazy, and they're so delicious. It's actually one of the most saved recipes on my app, Greeny app. I hope you guys give this recipe a try because it's so yum. What's up guys, it's lunchtime and I'm planning to make a Mediterranean kind of bowl, salad, nourish bowl, whatever. So I'm gonna grab some stuff from my pantry and see what I have in the fridge. Never underestimate the power of your pantry. As my source of healthy carbs, I'm going to be using this quinoa that I meal prepped a couple of days ago. And one of the best tips I can give you guys is to meal prep, because this way you can eat healthy throughout the week and really save time in the kitchen. I actually showed you how I cook my quinoa in my meal prep video. Make sure to check it out. And I also meal prep some eggs. What else do I have? I have some canned tuna, which is always a great addition and a great source of protein if you're running out of time or if you want to whip up a quick lunch. So tuna, some capers, kalamata olives. We're going for these Mediterranean flavors, as I told you. I also have some goat milk feta cheese, some arugula. Let's make this bowl. How cute is this little bowl? I made it myself. I'm just so impressed because it's just the best. And I also have the big one that I'm going to be using for this lunch. Our beautiful, gorgeous, delicious bowl is ready, packed with Mediterranean flavors and nutrients, healthy carbs, some protein, healthy fats, some greens, lots of flavors, and it's such an easy meal. I absolutely love making these salads and bowls for lunch, because if you have like pre-made stuff, pre-washed, pre-chopped greens, some meal prep grains, canned protein, it really takes like 5 to 10 minutes to put together, and it's super delicious, super quick and good for you. So, winner!
Rico.
This kind of meal makes me feel so good. I don't know. So easy, so good. This bowl is great because it's gluten-free. If you're using gluten-free grains, you can make it dairy-free as well if you skip the feta cheese, but actually goat milk-based feta cheese, goat and sheep's milk-based feta cheese is pretty much amazing. Most people can digest it actually. And this bowl is great if you have bloating and gut-related issues, because there is no food maps and stuff like that, so it won't make you bloated as a balloon. I'm also taking some probiotics with my lunch. You guys have lots of questions about what kind of probiotic should you take and stuff like that, and I honestly don't have any particular recommendations for you, so I decided to try different brands for, I don't know, at least for a few months before I can, decide what's working, what's not, give you some proper recommendations, so stay tuned for that. And now let us finish our lunch and we'll see you at dinner. You're finished. I'm testing out a new cookie recipe for my low food map meal plan on the Greeny app, and now I have to retest it and take some step-by-step photos for you guys so you can repeat the recipe without any problems. I already cooked this recipe once and it was great. Now I just want to double check if everything is okay and take some step-by-step photos for you guys. Keep your eyes out for this new recipe on the app. So these are my peanut butter and chocolate cookies, and I always add some flaky salt. I like the flavor combination of sweet and salty and chocolatey, and it looks nice. I'm having some iced matcha and a cookie for my afternoon pick-me-up because I have a lot of computer work to do, so I hope it will keep me going for several hours. I already shared my iced matcha recipe, actually 2 recipes in my previous video, so make sure to check it out. It's super easy. I'll see you at dinner. Hi guys, it's dinner time, it's around 6 p.m. and I'm not in the mood for cooking, to be honest, so I decided to quickly whip up some sandwiches for like breakfast, for dinner kind of meal. So we're gonna use some fresh ingredients, and I also have some whole wheat sourdough that my husband made the other day, so let's do it. I'm gonna be using this ricotta from the morning, some sun-dried tomatoes, avocado, cucumber, some deli style turkey, and some greens. The high quality bread is the key for the best sandwich, and I highly recommend toasting your bread for more flavor and texture, and it's just super delish. And I'm gonna toast my bread and then it's time to assemble. I added some ricotta on the first toast and some avocado on the second one, and it's great because you don't need to use any sauce. And now it's time to add my sun-dried tomatoes and cucumbers and some turkey. Look at these gorgeous layers. I cannot wait to have a bite. So we've got the final product. Looks really delicious to me, and I cannot wait to try these sandwiches. And I hope you guys give them a try as well, because I'm pretty sure they're amazing. And we have some healthy carbs, some healthy fats, protein, so it's pretty much balanced, nutritious meal. And it took me, I don't know, 7 minutes to make. Okay, let's give them a taste. It's so delicious. Just the entire combination of flavors and textures, and the creaminess of ricotta and avocado and this peppery taste of arugula, just really good, and definitely give it a try. Okay, now I want to finish my delicious dinner, and if you guys like this what I eat in a day to stay healthy video, make sure to check out my previous what I eat in a day, where I share delicious anti-bloat recipes to keep your tummy flat. They're so good, you guys. I only share delicious recipes with you, so make sure to check it out, and I'll see you very soon. Ciao!